Hi loves, keep on watching to see how I transformed into Wonder Woman.
I am going to start out with the Brightening Face Primer from Benefit.
Apply primer all over the face so that your makeup will last all night.
Now that my face is primed, I'm going to be applying my foundation. Today I'm using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea.
Pick your favorite foundation with medium to heavy coverage.
And then at the end I'll go in with my beauty blender and make sure everything is patted into my skin. I'm going to rub it with my fingers.
Grab your favorite concealer and apply it under your eyes or on any blemishes. And don't forget to blend in your concealer with your beauty blender.
Now that my skin is prepped with foundation and concealer, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm using Anastasia's Beverly Hills pomade.
Fill in your eyebrows with a bit of an arch. After drawing in the shape that you like, fill them in how you would normally, and don't forget to blend them in so they look natural. Take some concealer and clean up the edges. This will help your eyebrows give a fierce look, just like Wonder Woman.
Next, I'm going to take some powder and set my foundation.
And my favorite go-to powder is the Mercier translucent powder.
I'm going to take some cream bronzer and bronze up my face.
Apply the bronzer where you would normally contour, so right under your cheekbones, top of your forehead, jawline, and the sides of your nose. And take a brush and blend it out. Using the same brush, grab a darker bronzer powder to set the cream. This will help give your face that animated dimension. Pick a creamy black eyeliner that applies on the easiest and start from the center of your forehead. From there, draw on a necklace shape to form Wonder Woman's headband. Take the same eyeliner and draw a thin line on the hollows of your cheeks where you contoured earlier, and your jawline, your nose, and an upside down U on your chin. This is going to help make this look more animated. As for the nose, draw an open-ended round button on the tip of your nose, and add some white eyeliner on the circle underneath the U on the chin and the hollows of your cheekbones where the black eyeliner is. Next, draw on a red star on the center of your forehead. You can use eyeliner, lipstick, or whatever you have at home. Once you've filled in the star, use a creamy gold eyeshadow to fill in the area around it. After that, take a bright gold eyeshadow and pack that onto the creamy base you just applied. This will make the gold pop more. This is optional, but I added some glitter gold liner along the black eyeliner because I just love adding glitter to every single look. Apply on some bright red lipstick. Use an angled brush and some concealer to clean up the edges, making the lips look more defined. I took the same black eyeliner and lined the edges of my lips and added some black eyeshadow on the corners to give it more dimension. I would recommend skipping this step for a more modern look since I didn't really like how it turned out. Add a peachy highlighter to your cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of your nose. As for the eyes, I started with Stila's bronze glitter eyeshadow and applied that all over the lid. It doesn't have to be perfect because we'll be blending it out with some brown eyeshadow. Take a fluffy blending brush and use your go-to matte brown eyeshadow and apply that on the crease to give an illusion of bigger eyes. Go back with the same glitter and add it to the center of the eyelid so it pops more. And add some to the inner corners too. Take the same eyeshadow and add it to the lower third of the lash line. And if you want the doll-like animated look, add white eyeliner on the waterline. Now this part is a little tricky. Use a black eyeliner and lightly draw a thin line on your lower lash line from the inner corners and drag it all the way through to the top lid for that sharp cat eye look. Use a liquid eyeliner and draw on a normal cat eye, connecting it to the same lower lash line, and another one mimicking the cat eye but on the crease this time. Make sure you take your time so that your eyeshadow that you worked so hard on does not get ruined. I wanted to pop in some extra pearly shimmers on the inner corners of my eyes and the bridge of my nose. And we're finally on the last step. Glue on some dramatic falsies and you've transformed into Wonder Woman without a costume. Hope you try this look out and don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. Bye!